dears, I'm here with delicious barley stew with beans and herbs for cold days. You can prepare this food with broth and rumen. I cook it with rumen and it's really delicious. It is worth trying. The ingredients are 1 glass of peeled barley, half a glass of pea, half a glass of pinto bean, 2 onions, 7 cloves garlic, 100 gram herbs. You can see the required herbs in the Persian noodle soup video whose link is at the top of the page. Half a glass of curd, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon turmeric, half a teaspoon pepper, 1 rumen. Soak peeled barley, the pea and pinto bean from the night before. Change the water several times. Cook barley with 8 glasses of water. Because the ingredients' cooking time is different, cook them separately. Cook peas and beans separately. Put diced onion and rumen in a pressure cooker. I'll let them cook for 1 hour. Dice onions. Fry them in oil till golden brown. Add 1 tablespoon turmeric. Pour dried mint in oil and sauté them. Turn the heat off. Grate garlic and sauté in oil for 1 minute. Sauté them for more than 1 minute will cause the garlic burn and become bitter. After cooking barley, add pea, bean and rumen. Let them cook 1 hour.
1 hour later.
Then we add herbs. Add fried onion, garlic and fried mint. Stir the barley stew constantly while cooking so that it doesn't burn. Add salt.
"20 minutes later."
It's ready to eat. You can decorate it with curd and fried mint and fried onion. Enjoy your meal!